All right, third grade, let's check our work. In order to figure out how many rows of 8 are in 40, you want to make rows of 8 until you get to 40. Watch me do this. I'm going to make one row of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continuing, because I'm not at 40 yet, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm still not at 40. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Not at 40 yet. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Almost there. 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right, I made rows of 8 until I got to 40. So here I see 40, and I'm looking at how many rows there are. So let's count the rows. Here is 1 row, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 rows of 8 in 40. When you explain in words, this is what you should have. First, make rows of 8 until all 40 tiles are used. After all 40 tiles are used, count the rows. There are 5 rows of 8 in 40.